today with my friend Aiden, aka Ms. Me.
I do Minecraft sometimes. I also haven't uploaded a video in 8 months.
You'll probably recognize him from some of my Minecraft videos.
That is true.
So today I'm going to dye the front of his hair pink.
I thought it was...
Not pink, purple.
I was going to say, when you were changing the color
I'm going to dye my hair pink. I'm going to dye his hair purple.
She has been trying to convince me for the better half of a year to get my hair dyed, and I've pushed back every single time, but she has been nagging me enough that I finally conceded, and I'm letting her touch my hair.
It's just going to be enough so when he gets it cut next time, it'll be gone. So
and of course,
no commitments.
We're going to get it dyed just enough so that when I do get it cut, there's just still going to be a little bit left.
Not necessarily. Depends on how much you get cut off.
Only time will tell.
Yep. Alright, so I got the stuff to bleach his hair with.
I've also never done this before. Last time I got my hair dyed was in high school. My mom dyed my hair, but we also did it like an hour before I was supposed to go to school. So she was like, here, I got this. We're going to put purple hair dye in your hair. And it was like powder. And she was like, oh, it looks great, but it was just my hair color except with purple, like purple little dust in it. It looked awful.
I want to know what the heck that stuff was.
I have no clue. And what made it worse is that I got in someone's pool the next day. And turned their pool purple. So, because I forgot I had the hair dye in. So.
Alright, so just gonna need a little bit of bleach because he's not doing much.
Oh,
so
man.
Probably not even that much.
I love bleach.
This is gonna smell, just a warning.
I have probably smelled worse. Oh, what kind of goop is that?
This is the peroxide developer. So that's
a strange process.
Yep. You get the bleach powder and then the active. I put too much.
She's already trying to bleach too much of my hair.
Don't worry, you don't have to use it all.
I don't know, man. It seems like it's a plot. Secretly, she's gonna just dump bleach all over my hair.
No. Just a little bit more powder and it'll be good. Don't want to be too thin. I don't want to.
It's like that.
In your eyeballs.
It's like that one video where it's like 3 shots of vodka and the lady pours the entire bottle into a bowl. Just put the damn powder in.
That should be good. That's a good consistency.
I guess. I really.
I'm talking to the camera. You don't know what the consistency is supposed to be.
I'm sorry you pointed it at me, man.
I was pointing towards the camera. That probably make a good thumbnail. Point at it.
No, we should just have a video at the thumbnail where it's just me it's just me, like, you're not even in frame. I'm just sitting, like, looking at the camera, like, like, it's like that one, that, I can't say, it's a spicy meme.
Spicy meme.
You know, the one with, like, the white girl.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in a little, like, ponytail at the top of your head, so
Oh, man, I'm getting a front tail?
Yeah. So I don't accidentally dye the rest of your hair.
Yeah, it's really funny. I was thinking of growing out my hair one time, and I asked my friend, how do you think I would look with a ponytail? And she said, you'd look like a lesbian.
Let's see.
How much of my hair are you dyeing? Oh my goodness.
I'm not going to do the whole thing. I'm just going to...
Okay.
Yeah, I made way too much bleach.
Again, she's trying to bleach my whole head.
I can bleach your eyebrows.
Please don't.
Alright, you ready?
I guess I am. I already have the unicorn horn, so...
Alrighty. I'm not going to bother wearing gloves for this, because...
We got a sink.
Yeah.
Oh man, that does smell.
Yep, smells like bleach.
That's crazy. Bleach smelling like bleach? Impossible.
Bleach smell in my bleach? It's more likely than you think.
It is more likely than you think.
Ooh, I told you to take your glasses off. You got some on your lens. Don't do that! Don't bleach your shirt!
What do I do with it? Ah!
It's a paper towel!
I've never done this before. I don't know what... I understand it's bleach, but like, I think that...
You probably should have have gotten you into a different shirt before doing this too, just in case.
I don't own any other shirts. Like, I own like 3 shirts, and one of them is a work shirt. Yeah, it's a very blue-looking bleach.
That's because the blue helps to get rid of the yellow pigments. Oh, is that bleach? Get the paper towel.
You know what? I mean, there's blood on one of my other shirts, so like, you know, a little bleach probably won't be a big deal. No, seriously, like when I got my wisdom teeth out, I bled over like literally everything, and like I kind of just forgot to wash that particular shirt, and like everyone's like, okay, wash it with cold water. I'm like, okay, so I'm gonna have to go to my sink, turn on the cold water, and literally rub it out with my thumb. It's like my washing machine uses hot water. So it's like I can't put it in the washing machine until I get the damn blood out.
You don't have a cold setting on it?
If I do, I have no idea.
Okay, you know what? That should probably be good.
I can't see it, so I'm just gonna have to trust you.
I should have brought the mirror.
I mean, I couldn't see anyway because I'm kind of blind right now.
Alright, so we're going to leave that on for probably about 15-20 minutes.
I get to be a unicorn for 15 minutes.
Yes, you do.
That's crazy.
Alright, so we'll let this develop and then wash it out, and we'll show you how it turns out. Then we'll get to dyeing it.
Yeah. Hey, we're back. My hair is a little bit whiter.
Yeah, it didn't bleach as much as I was hoping, but it should be light enough for the purple that I have.
My hair is just too powerful.
Alrighty.
No, you're gonna like, I'm gonna come into work tomorrow, my hair's gonna be completely white somehow.
Alright, so I got this, this is the purple dye I got from the dollar store that actually worked really well when I did it. So, I'm gonna try this out. Let's hope it's gonna work.
I hope so, because you're gonna look like a fucking idiot.
No, you're not.
No discrediting your work, I think I'm just gonna look like a moron.
So I'm gonna do some to my hair too, so.
That's fair.
Alright.
Oh man.
Here we go.
Yay. She's putting paint in my hair.
I mean, basically.
I really could not wait for after this. Somehow, like, we got, like, barely anything done. It's just, like, a very slight purple tint.
That's probably what's going to happen, honestly.
So now we know that Aiden's hair doesn't dye very well.
Probably should have left it a little bit longer, but oh well.
Yeah.
We tried.
No, it's just my hair's, like, really thick. Like, I got my mom's hair. My mom had very thick hair. Like, I think she was in her 60s and she still had, like, a full head of hair.
Nice.
Like, didn't even look like it was fading at all. My forehead is, I feel the purple.
It's just like a tiny bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fine. Alrighty. You know what? I'm just gonna do mine blind. I'm not even gonna use a mirror. See what happens.
You are so insane. What am I doing then? Am I just gonna sit here and
Pretty much.
watch? I'll be the commentator, guys.
What do you want to do?
I don't know.
Wait.
I'll go grab a dog, I guess. No, I'll go grab Chauncey.
That probably sounds strange out of context if they haven't seen your dogs. You bring your dog over.
Yeah, I'll bring the dog over. Chauncey! Hi, my little weirdo. Get over here. They've obtained an animal. You can sit here and be the third wheel. Hair's like already kind of pink.
I know.
Yeah, you have like the rainbow color, like but like pale rainbow color, in your hair?
I've dyed it so many different colors, it's kind of just like stained.
That don't look bad, like with that, like just like a little streak of hair, like in a ponytail. I think that would actually look kind of cool. I'm telling you, man, I want to do so many crazy things with my hair, but like, just weird face. So like I said, my friend said I would look like a lesbian.
You'd look fine. Here, you know what? I'm not gonna bother with the gloves.
She's raw dogging it, guys.
I'm gonna do 2 colors.
Chauncey, what is this yellow on your nose? Your schnauzer.
Do I do pink on the top or pink on the bottom?
I don't know. Chauncey, why? Stop.
I think I'll do pink on the bottom.
Chauncey, please stop moving. You have something on your nose.
Did I just... I don't know if that's the pink. Why does it look purple?
I don't know. Oh, it's the goop. The goop in your hair. Max, hello. Jonesy, how do you feel about this?
Don't let him eat the goop.
Don't let me eat the goop. You're on a no goop diet, okay?
No Gwyneth Paltrow for you.
Ew. I forgot about the freaking goop that she made. Oh, yeah, I get it. What is your problem? He's shaking. He's so he's looking at you like, what the f you doing?
I don't know what I'm doing.
What are you doing? I get it. I hope the video can pick up him moaning. Because I tell people my dog moans, and they look at me like, man, what does that mean? I mean, he goes like, all the time. Right, Chauncey? Right? See, of course, as soon as I point him out, I call him out, he's silent. Oh, there, he did it. He made the noise. Now, here, I'll bring him closer to the camera. Here. I'm sorry, Elizabeth. The dog is now the spotlight. Ooh, I just moved the camera. Look, Chauncey, make a noise. Of course, he's staying silent. He knows.
Wonder how much you moved to the camera.
Oh, not a lot. Surely, as everyone is out of frame now.
Alright, did I get like...
You got like most of it, yeah.
Most of it?
Yeah.
That should be good. Alright, we're gonna let this sit for a bit and rinse it out and come back.
Oh yeah. Chauncey says goodbye. Adios. Hey.
So it didn't work very well.
Not at all. You can barely
You can see it a little bit on me, but there's like barely anything there for his hair.
You can barely see the purple.
Yeah, so unfortunately it was kind of a fail, but
You learned a valuable lesson today. Aiden's hair is really freaking hard to dye.
Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go check out Aiden's channel.
Even though I
I'll
haven't
link in the
uploaded in 8
description.
months. I might upload soon. Who knows? It's a Russian roulette of whether Aiden's going to upload a video or not.
Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. See if I'm like in shot properly.
Alright.
Ooh.
You need to release this as like a what is it? What are they?